So in lecture, I had given this problem in which the front view and left hand side view are given to you, and these two orthographic view consist of number of non-isometric lines as well as half circle, full circle in view. So and it is asked that draw isometric view using natural scale. This is again a problem asked in university exam. You have these earlier question papers. So if you refer figure number 3 of page number 5, you will find this problem is asked in university exam. So how to solve this? So let us first find out the three major dimensions from these two views. So front view 60 plus 10 plus 10, that is 40 plus 10 plus 10, 60 mm is the length dimension. Then height dimension you can mark from this point to this, the 100 and plus this 20 radius, so 120 is the height dimension. Width dimension is directly given in side view 40 millimeter. So after getting these three dimensions, let us find out the origin. So this origin is given in front view to this side. That means we have to use which plane for marking this front view. That means we have to use a right side plane for marking this. So this right side plane is selected to mark this, and left hand side view. So we have to select the left hand side view plane for this left hand side view. So let us begin, as we know the number of lines and this. So again, this is the symmetric part. So let us mark this origin and front view of 100, length of 60 by 120 height, and side view by 40 by 120 height. So then these two symmetric, you can say, flange. So let us mark these two symmetric flange of given dimension, say 30 mm height, then center point. So 30 mm height and a center point. So this is the center point. Then this height, outside height is 40. So this outside height is 40. So greater than that. Then let us mark the center point. So center point is marked here by drawing a vertical line and horizontal line. Then we have to mark this half circle. So to draw this half circle, we need to draw a rhombus of same side. So radius is 20. So 40 by 40. So let us draw a rhombus of 40 by 40 here, and with this as a center, and follow the procedure of say a bigger cone and the midpoint of opposite side. Let us join this corner and opposite side midpoint. Similarly, this corner and opposite side midpoint, this corner and opposite side midpoint. So you need to draw only half circle, that means two arcs. So for first arc, take this as a center and draw a arc. Then for second arc, take this as a center and draw a arc. So this completes our half circle, isometric projection of a half circle. Then let us project this center line project this center line vertically. We have vertical segments, but here the thickness is 40. So from both sides you draw to both sides 20 mm lines, and from and above the center line the dimension is 20 mm. So let us keep that 20 mm dimension separate from this, and below this you draw a 20 mm line. Then after this, these two non-isometric lines, these joints to the end point is, so from this point you draw a line. Similarly, from this point you draw a line. Okay. Then after this, on this surface we have these extra projections. So these extra projections are we'll see these extra projections how to mark this, but let us complete this surface, and on this surface mark a midpoint. Then the thickness is given 10 millimeter. So 5 mm on both sides. Mark this, and this like this. You draw a ring of 10 by given 30 angle. Similarly, this rib to other side also. Then the middle portion up to this 20 height, it is same. But now consider this projection, the side view projection. You have to draw a circle as well as half circle. For that, you mark a center line because this is shifted. So on this rhombus, you have to draw a rhombus of 20 by 20. That means 40 by 40 rhombus, and inside that you mark a midpoint and again draw a 15, so 30 by 30 rhombus. So small rhombus is 30 by 30, outside rhombus is 40 by 40, 40 by 40. Then in this rhombus again follow the procedure, same process of drawing the half circle and isometric view of half circle and full circle. So join this bigger angle corner with the midpoint, bigger angle corner with the midpoint of opposite side, and similarly bigger corner and opposite side midpoint. So here you have to draw only half radius. So now you take this as center, this as center, and draw a arc. Similarly, this bigger arc, this center and arc. So for this smaller arc, the center is here, and for this bigger arc, center is here. Then inner circle you draw like this. Now you have to shift this bigger arc center by the width distance. So here you take whatever is the thickness distance, 40 the distance, and again you take this center and draw this arc. These are till it ends here. So with this as a new center shifted by 40 behind. So behind you draw this arc. So draw this arc. Then again this similar rib is there. So similar rib is drawn with this parallel line projection with the same dimension and end this. Now this completes our solution of this problem, where you have a circle, half circle, full circle, and half circle, combination of these different conditions in this problem. So how to draw this in isometric? So this is a isometric view of the problem. So now you have to make a practice of drawing these three problems. So problem number 1, where front view and top view is given. Problem number 2, where front view and right hand side view is given. Problem number 3, where the front view and left hand side view is given. Now if you refer previous question papers, you will find that most of the time front view and side view is given to draw a isometric view. So you have to select the isometric planes, number of lines in these planes. Now add the planes, different planes, shifting of these planes. Suppose this plane is now shifted by some distance. Similarly, this is also a part of this problem. Okay, so let us make a practice of drawing this problem with all graphics instruments.